Good morning, everyone. So today is your quiz competition, and before we are starting the competition, this is a group-wise competition. It will be, and from every group, I will call 4 students one by one at the stage, and I will ask the questions. You have to give the answers. Okay, and rest of you will remain silent and just listen the questions, then you will know the answer from the participants. As you know, knowledge is the most powerful weapon in the world. हम लोग को पता है सबसे पावरफुल शक्तिशाली जो होता है वो नॉलेज होती है, ज्ञान होता है, फ्रॉम विच वी कैन चेंज द होल वर्ल्ड, जिसका यूज करके हम पूरी दुनिया को क्या कर सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं। अब मैंने कहा कि पावरफुल, तो पावरफुल मींस पावरफुल वेपन, वेपन मींस पावरफुल वेपन का मतलब ये नहीं, इट इज नॉट अ बॉम्ब, इट इज नॉट अ गन, इट इज नॉट अ सर्ड। ये क्या है, एक ऐसा हथियार है जिससे हम पूरी दुनिया को क्या कर सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं। इट इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट and the strongest instrument you will have if you really want to make a change is what you learn. जो आप सीखते हैं नॉलेज से, वो आप क्या कर सकते हो, पूरी दुनिया को चेंज कर सकते हो। It is a knowledge that helps to distinguish between humans and animals. जो डिफरेंस होता है एक नॉलेज, एक एजुकेटेड मैन और अनएजुकेटेड मैन में, जो डिफरेंस होता है जानवर और इंसानों में, जब आपके पास एजुकेशन होगी, शिक्षा होगी, नॉलेज होगी, तो आप इंसान और जानवर में डिफरेंस कर सकते हैं, तो आप जाके डिफरेंशिएट होते हैं आप, है ना। तो इसीलिए जानकारी का होना, ज्ञान, शिक्षा का होना बहुत जरूरी है। कहते हैं कि शिक्षा, ज्ञान जो होता है, ज्ञान के बिना हमारा जीवन जानवर के समान होता है, हमारा जो अस्तित्व है वो एक जानवर की तरह होता है। ज्ञान से ही क्या होती है, ज्ञान के बिना हमारा जीवन क्या है, एक जानवर के अस्तित्व के बराबर है। हमारे जो जीवन होगा वो हमारा एक जानवर की तरह होगा। इट इज अ नॉलेज दैट हेल्प अस टू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन अ ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल्स। इट इज राइटली सेड बाय समवन दैट अ पेन इज माइटियर देन अ स्वॉर्ड। एक कलम जो होती है, कलम जानते हो, पेन ना, जो पेन होती है वो एक स्वॉर्ड, तलवार से भी बहुत क्या होती है, बहुत शक्तिशाली होती है। ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि एक पेन जब आप उठाओगे, तलवार से क्या करते हैं हम लोग, तलवार एक स्वॉर्ड होता है, एक वेपन होता है जो किसी हिंसा के लिए यूज किया जाता है, मारपीट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है, किसी को मारने के लिए यूज किया जाता है। लेकिन एक पेन जब आप उठाते हो, एक पेन उठाने से आप एक डॉक्टर बन सकते हो, आप एक इंजीनियर बन सकते हो, आप एक टीचर बन सकते हो, आप एक पायलट बन सकते हो, और एक बहुत बहुत कुछ हासिल कर सकते हो जब आप एक पेन उठाते हो। इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि अ पेन इज माइटियर देन अ स्वॉर्ड। इसीलिए हमेशा कोशिश करिए कि आप एक कलम उठाने वाले बने। डू यू नो, जब किसी को फांसी दी जाती है, अ मैन टिल हैंड टू द जज टू द टिल द डेथ, जब जज एक होता है, वो क्या करता है, जब किसी को फांसी देता है तो अपनी कलम को तोड़ देता है। डू यू नो व्हाई? व्हाई ही ब्रोक हिज पेन व्हाइल गिविंग द डिसीजन? ऐसा क्यों करता है पता है? क्योंकि वो एक मैसेज देता है सोसाइटी को कि इस कलम से जो मैंने फांसी की सजा दे दी है किसी क्राइम करने वाले को, वो इस कलम से फिर किसी को फांसी ना दी जाए। और ये मैसेज देता है सोसाइटी को कि कोई ऐसा क्राइम फिर से ना करे जिससे उसकी जान को गंवाना पड़े। दैट वॉज मीन्स टू से अ पेन इज माइटियर देन अ स्वॉर्ड। इसीलिए कहा जाता है जो हमारी पुस्तकें होती हैं ना, पुस्तकें, यू नो, बुक्स आर द ट्रेजर ऑफ नॉलेज। जो हमारी किताबें होती हैं वो हमारी ज्ञान का खजाना है। खजाना जानते हो क्या होता है? ट्रेजर, जिसको ट्रेजर बोलते हैं। खजाना में बहुत सारे जो पैसे आपके पास हो जाते हैं, हीरे जवाहरात हो जाते हैं, तो उसको हम खजाना बोलते हैं। ये हमारी जो पुस्तकें हैं, द बुक्स आर आवर ट्रेजर, इसीलिए पुस्तकों को अपना आप बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बनाइए, साथी बनाइए। सबका कोई ना कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता है ना। बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन होता है? जिससे हम अपनी सारी बातें को शेयर करते हैं। द वन हु टू होम वी शेयर आवर ऑल द सीक्रेट्स। लेकिन अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को आप किताबों को बनाइए। अपनी किताबों से जब आप बेस्ट फ्रेंड साथी बनाएंगे तो वो आपको अच्छी अच्छी चीजें आपको सीखने को मिलेंगी। यू विल लर्न सम मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स। किताबें जो होती हैं, आपकी बुक्स जो होती हैं, वो सही और गलत का रास्ता बताती हैं। क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, यू विल कम टू नो व्हेन यू मेक योर बुक्स योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स। बुक शोज द वे ऑफ राइट एंड रॉन्ग। क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, ये सारी चीजें हमें किससे मिलती हैं सीखने को? एक एजुकेशन से मिलती है। जब आप शिक्षा तालीम हासिल करोगे तो उसके लिए आप एक सभ्य इंसान बनोगे। जो सही और गलत का, एक सभ्य इंसान कौन होता है? एजुकेटेड मैन वो होता है जो सही और गलत का क्या कर सके? अंतर बता सके, डिफरेंशिएट कर सके। जब आप पढ़े लिखे नहीं रहोगे तो लोग आपको क्या बोलते हैं? जाहिल बोलते हैं, है ना? जाहिल बोलते हैं, गवार बोलते हैं, जानवर बोलते हैं। ऐसा क्यों इसलिए बोला जाता है? क्योंकि आप एजुकेटेड नहीं होते हो। और इसीलिए जब आप एजुकेशन, आप शिक्षा तालीम हासिल कर लोगे तो फिर ये डिफरेंशिएट हो जाता है। आप गलत और सही में अंतर क्या कर सकते हो? पता कर सकते हो कि क्या गलत है और क्या सही है। एजुकेशन का पर्पस सिर्फ ये नहीं होता कि आप पढ़ लिख के एक जॉब हासिल कर लो, एक जॉब पा जाओ। एजुकेशन का मतलब होता है कि क्या गलत है, क्या सही है। The education shows us the way of right and wrong. Knowledge is the power that can transfer all your strategies, all your lives, all spheres of your life and activity. जो एजुकेशन एक ऐसा पावर है जो आपकी पूरी जिंदगी को चेंज कर देता है। So knowledge becomes power. Knowledge आपकी पावर बन जाती है only when selects our knowledge by answering this type of questions that I'm going to put from our participants in today's competition. So let's keep knowing the facts and things in this quiz competition. So give a big round of applause for today's quiz competition, and I'm going to announce the names that will be taken out of this quiz competition. In every round there will be 4 students, and Sachi Sharma from Red House will come. Mohammad Maaz will join from Green House. Adarsh Singh from Yellow House, and Aditi from Blue House. So give a big round for 4 participants of this round. And the rules of this quiz competition: if you give a right answer, you will get 10 marks. And if you are not giving the answer will pass to the next participant. Okay? Sharma from Red House, Mohammad Maaz from Green House, Adarsh Singh from Yellow House, and Aditi from Blue House. So let's start the first question, and first question for Sachi Sharma. What is the circumference of a circle? What is the formula of finding the circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r is the correct answer. Now, question 2. Question for Mohammad Maaz from Greenhouse. What is the formula of finding area of circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square is the correct answer. Next question for Adarsh Singh from Yellow House. Gateway of India is located at
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra is wrong answer. Question is passed to Aditi.
Mumbai.
Mumbai is the correct answer. So this is the first question for both of them, and Yellow House 0 and rest got 10 points. Okay, now move to the next question. Sachi Sharma from Red House. Which organ purify our blood?
Kidney.
Kidney is the right answer. Sakshi Sharma, Red House will get 10 points. Now question for Aditi from Blue House. The total distance around a figure is called. The total distance around a figure is called
Perimeter.
perimeter is the correct answer. Next question for Adarsh Singh.
यहाँ पे अगर क्वेश्चन करेंगे वहाँ
What is the formula of perimeter of equilateral triangle?
3 into side.
3 into side is the right answer. Question number 2 for Muhammad Mas. Cataract is a disease of which part of our body?
Eye.
Eyes. Cataract is a disease है जो हमारी eyes में पाया जाता है. तो correct answer. Next question for Sachi Sharma from Red House. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world?
Angel Fall.
Angel Falls is the right answer. Question number 3 for Aditi. Which place in India is known as Tea Garden?
Assam.
Assam is the right answer. Question for Adarsh Singh. When we observe National Education Day? When we observe National Education Day?
11 September.
11th September is wrong answer. Question is passed to Muhammad Mas. When we observed National Education Day?
11 November.
11th November is the right answer. Now question for Sachi Sharma. Who was the first female Indian astronaut from India?
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla is the right answer. Question for Aditi. Scientific study of birds are known as
Ornithology.
ornithology is the right answer. Now question related to sports to Adarsh. Saina Nehwal is associated with which sport?
Badminton.
Badminton is the right answer. Question for Muhammad Mas. Goiter is a cause due to the deficiency of
Iodine.
iodine is the right answer. Now the question for Sachi Sharma from class 8. What is the name of the border that linked between India and Pakistan?
Red Cliff Line.
Red Cliff Line is the name of the border. Question for Aditi. What is the ratio of width to the length of national flag of India?
2:3.
2:3 is the right answer. Question for Adarsh. Which gas commonly known as laughing gas?
Nitrous gas.
Nitrous oxide is the right answer. Last question for round 1. What is the study of universe known as?
Cosmology.
Cosmology is the right answer. Who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the correct answer. Now question for Muhammad Salih. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Question is passed to Blue House.
Uller Lake.
Uller Lake is the correct answer. Question for Yellow House. Who wrote the national anthem, Jan Gan Man? Who wrote the national anthem of India? Question is passed to Green House.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore is the correct answer. Next question for red house. What is the formula of finding perimeter of rectangle? What is the formula of finding perimeter of rectangle? Question is passed to blue house.
2 into length plus breadth.
Correct answer. 2 into length plus breadth is the correct answer. Question is passed to yellow house. What is the formula of finding the perimeter of a square? What is the formula of finding the perimeter of a square? Side into side is wrong answer. 4 into side is the correct answer. Question is now for greenhouse. What is the capital of Uttarakhand?
Dehradun.
Dehradun is the correct answer. Okay, we are going to start the third round and the question number 1 for red house. What is the boiling point of water? What is the boiling point of water? Question is passed to blue house.
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius is the correct answer. Question for yellow house. Which Indian state has taken up Sanskrit as an official language?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand is the right answer. Question now for greenhouse. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Question is passed to Anshika Rai, red house.
Bachendri Pal.
Bachendri Pal is the correct answer. Now question for blue house. Who wrote Panchtantra?
Vishnu Sharma.
Vishnu Sharma is the right answer. Now question for yellow house. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Which is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia.
Australia is the correct answer. Now question number 2 for greenhouse. Which acid is found in lemon? Which acid is found in lemon? Which acid is found in lemon? Question is passed to red house.
Salicylic acid.
Repeat the answer.
Citric acid.
Question is passed to yellow house, blue house.
Citric acid.
Citric acid. Okay, citric acid is the correct answer. Question is passed to yellow house. What is India's form of governance? I'm repeating the question. What is India's form of governance? Question is passed to greenhouse. Question is passed to red house. What is India's form of governance? Question is passed to blue house.
Democracy.
Democracy is the correct answer. Question for yellow house. How many layers are there in Earth's atmosphere? 5 layers are there in our atmosphere. Very good. Good answer. Now question for greenhouse. What is the weight of a cricket ball? क्रिकेट खेलते हो? What is the weight? उसका वजन क्या होता है? क्रिकेट बॉल का वजन कितना होना चाहिए? What is the weight of a cricket ball?
163 gram.
163 gram is correct, but you have to give the accurate answer. The weight of the ball we measure in ounces. So what is the exact weight of the cricket ball? Anyone know? Okay, question is passed to the house.
5.75%.
5.75, not 75. 5.75 ounces is the correct answer. So please take marks to that greenhouse also. Now question for blue house. Give the names of 5 layers of atmosphere. Give the names of the layers of atmosphere.
Stratosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, exosphere.
Very good. The answer is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. So now last question for yellow house, and the question is, what is the national sport of United States of America? Means what is the national sport of USA?
Baseball.
Baseball is the correct answer. Very red house again. How many years is a decade? How many years is a decade? 10. 10 years. Right answer. Now, next question for blue house. What is the approximate value of pi?
3.14.
3.14 is the correct answer. Now question for yellow house. Which number neither prime nor composite?
1.
1 is the right answer. Now question for greenhouse. How many seconds are there in a day? How many seconds are there in a day?
86,400 seconds.
86,400 is the correct answer. So this is the last question for round number 4. And question for red house. What is the capital of Finland? What is the capital of Finland?
Helsinki.
Helsinki is the right answer. Question for blue house. Which is most spoken language in the world?
Mandarin Chinese.
Mandarin Chinese is the correct answer. Now question for Asram. How many fundamental rights are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? 6 rights are mentioned in the fundamental rights are mentioned in the Indian Constitution. Last question for greenhouse. Who won the 2022 International Women of Courage Award?
The Bharat Ratna Award.
Bharat Ratna Award is the highest civilian award given in the Republic of India. Now question is for Amrita Gautam from Blue House. What is the shape of a dice? What is the shape of a dice?
Cube.
Cube is the correct answer. Question for yellow house. What is the script of Hindi language?
Devanagari.
Devanagari is the correct answer. Now question for greenhouse. Where is the largest museum of India located?
Chennai.
Chennai is the correct answer. Now question for red house. Who is known as the father of history? Who is known as the father of history?
Herodotus.
Herodotus is the correct answer. Now question for blue house. Who gave the slogan, do or die?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi is the correct answer. Now question for yellow house. Which is the biggest bone in our human body? Which is the biggest bone in our human body? Question is passed to greenhouse.
Femur.
Femur is the right answer. Which part of brain helps in body balance? Which part of brain helps in body balance? Question is passed to blue house.
Cerebellum.
Cerebellum is the correct answer. Question is now for yellow house. What is the unit of Kelvin scale? Sorry, Kelvin scale is the unit of
Temperature.
temperature. Right answer. Now question for Nawaf Ansari from greenhouse. Who discovered penicillin? Who discovered penicillin?
Alexander Fleming.
Alexander Fleming is the right answer. Now question for red house. Which scientist developed the theory of relativity? Which scientist developed the theory of relativity? Question is passed to blue house. Yellow house.
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein is the right answer. Very good. Now question for greenhouse. Which metal is in liquid form?
Mercury.
Mercury is the right answer. Now question for Krishna. Which continent is considered as the hottest in the world? Which continent is considered as the hottest in the world? Question is passed to Nitesh. Samir, yellow house.
Africa.
Africa is the right answer. Now, question is again for red house. Which is the largest animal on land in the earth? On the earth. Which is the largest animal on the earth? Question is passed to blue house.
African elephant.
African elephant is the right answer. Now question for yellow house. Which animal never consumes water at all? Which animal never consumes water at all? Question is passed to greenhouse. Question is passed to the audience. Aditi. Aditi. Kangaroo rat is the right answer. Now, last question for this round. Where does the Bhil tribe find? Where does the Bhil tribe find? Question is passed to blue house. Question is passed to yellow house. And question is passed to green house. Rajasthan is the correct answer. Let's give a big round for this participant for round number 2. First question for red house. And the participant from red house is Ashan Ansari. Your question is, how many MBs are there in 1 GB? How many MBs are there in 1 GB? Question is passed to blue house.
1012.
Wrong answer. Question is passed to blue house. Yellow house.
1024.
1024 MB is the correct answer. Question is passed to green house. Who is known as the father of mathematics? Who is known as the father of mathematics?
Archimedes.
Archimedes. Archimedes is the right answer. Next. Question for red house. Which Mughal ruler is associated with Bibi ka Maqbara? Which Mughal ruler is associated with Bibi ka Maqbara? Question is passed to blue house. Question is passed to yellow house. Question is passed to green house. Question is passed to the audience. Mohammed Khan. Aurangzeb is the right answer. Okay, question for red house again. What is the language? What is the language from which the word tsunami comes from? What is the language from which the word tsunami comes from? Tsunami जो word है वो किस language से arise हुआ है? Question is passed to blue house.
English.
Question is passed to yellow house. Question is passed to green house.
Japan.
Japanese is the right answer. Now question for Arsha. What does DC means in Washington DC? What does DC means in Washington DC? Question is passed to blue house, yellow house, green house again. Question is passed to the audience. Shagun Singh. District of Columbia is the correct answer. Now, this is the last question, I guess. This is the last question for Red House. Taekwondo is from which country? Taekwondo is from which country?
China.
Question is passed to blue house. Question is passed to yellow house. Question is passed. Korea is the correct answer. Question number 1 for red house. What is the area? What is the formula of finding the area of rectangle? What is the formula of finding area of rectangle? Length into breadth is the correct answer. Now, question for blue. What is the formula of finding the area of triangle?
4, 5.
Wrong answer. Question is passed to Nabil.
1/2 into B into H.
B into H is the correct answer. Half into base into height is the right answer. Now, question is passed to greenhouse. What is the first odd composite number? What is the first odd composite number?
33.
Question is passed to the audience. Nine is the correct answer. Now, question is passed to red house again. Which metal is found in the Earth's crust, Earth's core? Which metal is found in the Earth's core? Speak loudly. Iron. Iron is the correct answer. Next question for blue house. How many times can an American president be elected? How many times can an American president be elected? 2 times is the correct answer. Question number 2 for yellow house. What is produced when there is friction? What is produced when there is friction? Question is passed to green house. What is produced when there is friction? Question is passed to the audience. Audience, sir. Now Sansari, stand up. Heat is the correct answer. Question for Red House. When was the camera invented? When was the camera invented? 1816 is the correct answer. Question number 2 for Blue House. Who is the current governor of Uttar Pradesh? Who is the current governor of Uttar Pradesh? Question is passed to Yellow House. Question is passed to Green House. Wrong answer. Question is passed to the audience. Ayush, what is name? Unsafe. Stand up. Anandi Ben Patel is the correct answer. Now, question for class 8 Red House. What does COVID-19 means? What does COVID-19 means? Coronavirus disease 2019 is the correct answer. Question for Blue House. Who was the first Indian to go to space? Who was the first Indian to go to space? Question is passed to Yellow House. Question is passed to Green House. Rakesh Sharma is the right answer. Now question for Red House. What is the full form of news? Right answer. Question for Blue House. When Earth Day is celebrated? When we celebrate Earth Day? Question is passed to Yellow House. Question is passed to Green House. 22 April is the right answer. Where is the World Health Organization situated?
Geneva, Switzerland.
Very good. Right answer. Geneva, Switzerland is the right answer. When was the Battle of Plassey fought?
1757.
1757 is the right answer. What is the full form of LED? LED.
Light emitting tone.
Light emitting diode is the right answer. For Yellow House. A figure with 8 sides is known as. A figure with 8 sides is known as. Question is passed to Green House. Octagon is the right answer. Now question is for Red House. Which city is known as Pink City? Which city is known as Pink City? No one will answer from the audience. I will ask you. If they don't know, your chance will come. Question is passed to Blue House. Which? Very good. Right answer. Jackpot is the correct answer. Question is passed. Question is for Yellow House. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Question is passed to Green House. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the correct answer. Question for Red House. Which public sector bank is the largest bank in India? Which public sector bank is the largest bank in India? State Bank of India is the right answer. Question number 3 for unset. Which planet in our solar system has the longest rotation? Which planet in the solar system has the longest rotation? Wrong answer. Question is passed to yellow house. Question is passed to green house. Question is passed to the audience. This boy, Aditya Patel. Venus is the right answer. Very good. Now, question for red house. What is the largest organ in our human body? What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin is the right answer. Question is for blue house. Which revolutionary established the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Which revolutionary established the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Question is passed to yellow house. Question is passed to green house. Lal Bahadur Shastri is the right answer. Now, this is the last question of this quiz competition. The first question for red house. Which continent is called dark continent? Which continent called as a dark continent? Question is passed to blue house. Question is passed to yellow house. Which continent is called dark continent? Africa is the right answer. Last question for greenhouse. What is the full form of ISRO? What is the full form of ISRO? Question is passed to the audience. Indian Space Research Organization is the correct answer. So give a big round for these participants. Did a good job. So before going to tell you the total marks, who is the first, who is the second, who is the third, I want to know from you all. Have you enjoyed this quiz competition? Yes. This kind of competition will surely make you to take some attention towards your studies. जब आप इस तरीके की एक्टिविटीज करते हो तो आपको पढ़ने का मन करता है. Today we conduct this 6 to 8. Next, after the winter vacations, we will do this quiz competition from class 3rd to 5th. So get ready and let's course with 290 points. Greenhouse is the winner of this quiz competition. Let's tell everyone. And with 260 points, Blue House got the second position today. With 240 points, Red House got the third position. And with 160 points, Yellow House is sitting at the bottom of the table. So students, try to maintain, try to learn something new every day. वो कहते हैं ना कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. इसीलिए हमेशा कोशिश करते रहिए. Always try to work hard. देखो सफलता जो मिलती है ना, कामयाबी, सक्सेस, वो आपको एक दिन में नहीं मिलेगी. आपको लगातार मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. हार्ड वर्क इज द की टू सक्सेस. जो सफलता की कुंजी है ना, वो आपकी मेहनत है, आपकी परिश्रम है. और परिश्रम आपको लगातार करते रहना पड़ेगा. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि अपनी किताबों को अपने दोस्त बना लीजिए आप, ठीक है? अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड से आप सब कुछ शेयर करते हैं, आप अपनी किताबों को अपना बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना लीजिए। जब आप अपनी किताबों से क्या करेंगे, अपने किताबों को आप, अपनी बुक्स को आप जब अपना मित्र बना लेंगे, बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना लेंगे, तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा फायदा मिलने वाला है। सो दिस इज व्हाट फॉर टुडे in the quiz competition 22-22. Thank you everyone. You work hard and the results are shown today. Thank you.